Hi everyone, how are you? Hope and pray you all are doing okay. So today is Monday, the starting of a brand new week. I don't know about you, but I'm believing for you. I am expecting a beautiful week, one that Satan will not be able to interfere with. My dear Facebook Live, WhatsApp Live, YouTube, and all of you that will be seeing this video. Be optimistic about this week and take it by force and let the devil know that whatever he has stolen, you are about to receive double for your trouble. I'm in the kitchen again. I don't know, Brittany keep having me cooking a bag of stuff. So today I'm making a seafood medley. I'm boiling some corn. I am doing some, let me show you, steam veg. I already finished the steam veg. I'm boiling the corn and I'm doing a seafood medley. I'm going to show you a little bit more, a little bit from this. See, I'm doing my pepper, my little shrimp. I'm going to do shrimp and conch combination. All right. So in a little bit, I'll be showing you everything. And we're going out today. It is our aim, us, the Faith Deliverance Lighthouse Prophetic Ministry, alongside a lovely sister that came from overseas, our dear sister Silvera's mom. I don't remember her name. We are going out to feed about 70 persons later, believing God that we can do more, but I know it won't be less than about 70. Of course, our mission is winning the lost at any cost, and we are called to the total man. We care about the entire aspect and the entire beam of your life. I don't know, but be optimistic, because I see change coming. I see great change. And you know, I must tell you before I go, you are not alone. God is in it with you, and you are in it to win it. God bless you until you see me again. Alright, so as I promised you that I will be coming back to let you know my finished product. I am almost there. I am not quite. I told you I was doing some conch and shrimp medley. So this is the outcome of the conch and the shrimp medley. It's simmering down a little bit, getting down to the finished product. But this is the conch and shrimp medley. Also, you know, I'd show you that I did some steam veg. This is the steam veg, and I'm doing a little bit of basmati rice. All right, so along with the boiled corn, remember to like, remember to share, remember to subscribe. And of course, I'm showing you that I am not just a servant, a prophetess, an apostle, a mother, but I also know how to run my household well. Cooking, cleaning, and all the other things that it entails. Peace out. Bye.
Cookers.
Yeah, so we have to cook up some curry chicken, Jamaican style. And we have a curry chicken right here, so on the coal fire, Jamaica with it. I don't know, gas stove, no.
Chef Marky and Chef.
Rice pot. Rice and peas, but I go on next time doing things. Coming up.
Hey, what's up, peeps? Welcome to the Faith Deliverance Lighthouse Prophetic Ministry. Here today, we're going on the road to go and feed the homeless. Right here, we have rice and peas, we have fried chicken, we have the vegetables here, we have curry chicken over there. Yeah. I want you to go over to YouTube and subscribe to my apostle channel, Prophetess Zania Bird. Please go and subscribe. Click on the bell and go.
Then, and then, middle of the back of the bed. Now, bring the bit here. But there, turn up this up now. Melly, I can't keep it to myself. Stop your come late, don't touch this piece in the mouth right, but it tastes good.
We're back.
We are back. Now we are packing to go on the street. Putting together to went on the street.
Yep.
Okay.
Winning the lost.
In a few, we will be start to deliver to this rightful owner.
So as you all know, we are called to the total man. So us, the Faith Deliverance Lighthouse Prophetic Ministries, we are going out to feed the people. Should have gone already, but unfortunately, our chef delayed on us. So we are going to go now. We will be going in and around Town to make sure that somebody have a dinner to eat tonight, and somebody know that God is still thinking about them and God still got them. So of course, the journey now begins. Follow us.
What's the way to live?
I'm just saying that I can't just be giving out the food and not tasting it and eating some. So I had some with a chicken leg. Come here, go preach later. I'm not like too full up. If I full up, God can go pour in. So I go left this in my bye. Bye, Bridget.
Hi, Sister Sylvia. Hi. Minister.